Hello, we will make weapons of railroad crossings today. The material is this railroad crossing. If you take a wild railway crossing, the train will stop. So please be careful. Let's start making weapons of railroad crossing. What part is good for weapons? This cross part seems good for weapons. Then replace this to the bar. Next, I will pen this bar to increase power. To fix the pendulum, attach the direction display part. Then, to make a distance with the enemy, I make the bar diagonal a little. Use the red light as a tire so that it can move. Complete. Fight. It's this pendulum attack. Oops. Do not avoid it. Oh, it comes back.